This is a 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Joe Machens Capital City Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 807 Southwest Boulevard in Jefferson City.